How to apply for a free trial on SHEIN account. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your SHEIN app. You will land to the shop page. Now at the bottom, you're gonna find different options. Click on the option of Me. Over here, you're gonna find different sections. Under More Services, you will find the option of Free Trial. Just scroll to the right. Now click on this option, Free Trial Center. With that, you're gonna find tons of options for which you can try a free trial. All you need to do is select the product. Once you select it, click on the option of free trial. Now select the details, size and color. Once you do that, click on next step. Now you have to fill up your shipping address. Once you do that, click on submit. Please wait for the application results. You can follow up on your application record at the Trial Personal Center. Click on OK. With that, you have just applied for a free trial on SHEIN account. So this is how you can easily apply for a free trial on SHEIN account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.